Lecture 13 Shortcut Keys in PowerPoint. Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about shortcut keys in PowerPoint. These are super cool tricks you can use on your keyboard to work faster. So, let's get started. After learning this lecture, students will be able to know the shortcut keys in PowerPoint. Use the shortcut keys in PowerPoint. What are shortcut keys? Shortcut keys are special keys or combinations of keys that help you do something quickly without using your mouse. For example, instead of clicking around, you just press a few keys and ta-da! The work is done. Some shortcut keys need you to press 2 or 3 keys at the same time, and they are set up to make common tasks like opening a program super easy. Why are shortcut keys important? Shortcut keys have many benefits. First, they help you work faster and more efficiently. Second, they make you more productive because you can do lots of tasks at once. And guess what? You can even use shortcuts to lock your screen or switch between different windows and apps. Isn't that amazing? Common shortcut keys in PowerPoint. Now, let's learn some important shortcut keys you can use in PowerPoint. Ctrl+N creates a new presentation. Ctrl+O opens an existing presentation. Ctrl+S saves your presentation. Ctrl+Z undoes an action. Oops, made a mistake? No worries. Ctrl+Y redoes an action. Ctrl+F1 shows or hides the ribbon at the top. More shortcut keys you should know. Here are some more shortcut keys that will help you become a PowerPoint pro. F1 opens the Help pane. Ctrl+A selects all the objects on a slide. Ctrl+X cuts the selected text or object. Ctrl+C copies the selected text or object. Ctrl+V pastes the text or object you copied. F5 plays your presentation from the start. Shift+F5 plays the presentation from the current slide. Great job! And that's it for today. Now you know all about shortcut keys in PowerPoint. These tips will help you save time and work like a pro. Keep practicing and you'll be a PowerPoint expert in no time. Thank you and happy learning!